Well, here goes another cold start of the 70 GMC. Open manifolds. We're gonna run it out to the north shop. We're gonna make some room. Still gotta put some exhaust on it. So, probably wearing my foot out trying to start this damn thing. So let's see how long it'll take. Oh, it already hit. It'll start, it takes a little bit. Maybe it'll start.
My training's fucked.
Huh?
My training's fucked.
Wow! There you go, you viewers. Cold start open manifold. Next time you hear it start, it'll have some lights on it. Oh, here we go. Taking old beast down the north shop. Open manifold. Pretty goddamn loud.